back to our channel. And if you're new here, you're welcome. Thanks for tuning on today. My name is Bridget. Today we are really excited. We're gonna take you through step by step on how to make soft and healthier bread at home. So stick around until the end of the video and I'm sure you never buy bread again from the market. So what we're gonna be needing is flour, salt, yeast, egg and sugar. So sit down, enjoy, and let's get started. You're welcome. We are going to cook our bread today using a bread machine, and I'm going to take out the bread pan. Yeah. And it's very important to measure the ingredient correctly so that you have a nice and soft bread. And what we're gonna be needing is 1.5 cup of milk, warm milk. Yeah. Make sure the milk is warm. And 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. I'm using a dry yeast.
Good job!
And now I'm going to measure the flour using a kitchen measuring scale. And if you don't have kitchen scale, no problem, you can use a cup. Yeah, and I need 4 cups of flour. Is 512 grams, that is equivalent to 4 cups. Yeah, and I'm going to put it here like this. Yeah, next I'm going to go in with sugar, 1.5 tablespoon, and you can use honey, no problem. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. Right, and also 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm gonna use 1 egg. It's not necessary to use an egg. This is just my tip. The eggs make bread lighter and fluffier. And now I'm gonna put inside the bread and fix it correctly. Yeah, and close it up. Here are different settings. You have light, medium and dark depending on the color that you want. We need light bread, that's what we're going in, and I'm going to set light bread. Yeah, and I'm going to put the size to be 1600 grams, and will take 3 and 5 minutes to get finished. So I'm gonna push start. Kneading the bread is what makes many people get nervous, but the machine has really helped me to do this. The bread is done now. As you can see, it's golden brown, but I'm going to leave it for 1 hour to cool down before taking it out.
Whoa!
Delicious, guys. Try this. Try this and make this bread.